Hello guys, in this video we are going to learn what are the types of civil engineering drawing normally prepared before construction. So there are five types of drawing that are prepared before construction. First is submission drawing, second is tender drawing, third is contract drawing, fourth is working drawing, and fifth is complete drawing. So submission drawing is a drawing that is prepared by the architect for the approval of architectural drawings from the local building authority. Submission drawing usually comprises of five components. First is architecture plan, second is architecture elevation, third is architectural section, fourth is site plan, and fifth is typical foundation layout. The second type is tender drawing. The tender drawing is a submission made by contractor in response to an invitation to the tender. For this purpose, the extent of structural, electrical and plumbing work is decided and then a set of detailed engineering drawing called tender drawing are prepared. Other details like cost, bill of quantities, material type are also included in these drawings. Third is contract drawing. The engineer can carry on with detailed design only after the completion of the tender process. If tendering has been straightforward and without any alternative proposals, the contract drawings will be the same as tender drawing. Fourth is working drawing. Working drawings are very detailed drawings prepared by the architect, engineer, structural, electrical or plumbing to execute the practical construction of the building or other project. Working drawings are also called detailed drawings. Fifth is completion drawing. Completion drawings are also called record or as-built drawing. Certain variations, additions or alterations due to unforeseen site conditions can be done, but major changes are not allowed. So these are the five types of civil engineering drawings normally prepared before the construction.